Thank you for your purchase of Dash Monkey 3-in-1 Ride-On. This ride-on comes with attractive looks, sturdy body base, storage space under seat, footrest, parental handle control. This ride-on can be assembled by using these parts. You also need a piler and a screwdriver. To begin the assembling, take the main body and insert front fork complete to main body. In the next step, place steering to front fork complete. Fix steering with the help of nut and bolt. It's time to place backrest to the main body by just pushing it to the provided locks. It's time to put 2 AAA batteries to the activate music. In the next step, fit handrest with the backrest at 180 degrees on both sides. You can easily lock it with steering just by pushing it a little. In the final step, fit parental handle to the backrest with the help of push button on the handle. Your beautiful monkey ride-on is now ready to use. Dash Toys. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.